12. Time. Hi students, time is a measure in which events can be ordered from the past through the present into the future, and also the measure of duration of events and the intervals between them. Clock is an instrument for measuring and recording time, especially by mechanical means, usually with hands or changing numbers to indicate the hour and minute. The 12-hour clock is a timekeeping convention in which the 24 hours of the day are divided into two periods called antemeridiem AM, Latin for before noon, and postmeridiem PM, Latin for afternoon. Each period consists of 12 hours numbered 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The AM period runs from midnight to noon, while the PM period runs from noon to midnight. Time becomes evident through motion, sunrise and sunset, day and night, the changing seasons, the movement of the celestial bodies, etc. In this chapter, you will learn about time.
Chapter 12. Time. Let's remind. There are 12 months in a year. There are 365 days in a year. There are 7 days in a week. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. With the help of the clock, time is measured. A clock has two hands. 1. Hour hand. 2. Minute hand. The short hand is the hour hand. The long hand is the minute hand.
There are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
There are 12 months in a year. Among these, April, June, September, and November have 30 days. January, March, May, July, August, October, and December have 31 days. February has 28 or 29 days. Do this. Revision. Fill and drill. Reasoning proof. Time in hours and minutes. Look at the clock face. It is marked with numerals 1 to 12 at equal distance. These 12 numerals represent 12 hours. It has two hands. One is long and the other is short. The long hand shows minutes, so it is called minute hand. The short hand shows hours, so it is called hour hand. The minute hand. The minute hand is the longer hand. The minute hand moves faster than the hour hand. The time taken by the minute hand to move from one number to the same number is called 1 hour. In 1 hour, the minute hand goes once around the face of the clock, since a day has 24 hours. The minute hand goes 24 times around the face of the clock. That is, it makes 24 complete rounds in a day. The gap between one numeral and the next numeral is subdivided into 5 equal small divisions. Each small division is called 1 minute. The minute hand takes 5 minutes to move from one numeral to the next numeral. The hour hand. The hour hand is the shorthand. The hour hand takes 1 hour to move from one number to the next number. So, the hour hand takes 12 hours to complete one round. There are 24 hours in a day, so the hour hand completes 2 rounds in a day. Now, let us learn to read time when the minute hand is on any number. Study the dial and write the time in the box. Example 1. The hour hand is between 3 and 4. Therefore, the number of hours is equal to 3. The minute hand is on 2. The number of minutes is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Therefore, time is equal to 3 hours 10 minutes equal to 3 hours 10 minutes. 3 hours 10 minutes is also read as 10 minutes past 3. Example 2. The hour hand is between 5 and 6. Therefore, the number of hours is equal to 5. The minute hand is on 3. The number of minutes is 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Therefore, time is equal to 5 hours 15 minutes is equal to 5 hours 15 minutes. 5 hours 15 minutes is also read as quarter past 5. Example 3. The hour hand is between 6 and 7. Therefore, the number of hours is equal to 6. The minute hand is on 9. The number of minutes is equal to 9 into 5 is equal to 45. Therefore, time is equal to 6 hours 45 minutes is equal to 6 hours 45 minutes. 6 hours 45 minutes is also read as quarter to 7. Do these. 1. Write the time shown by the clocks. Connections. Two. Draw the hands on each clock face to show the given time. Representation. Three. Fill and drill. AM and PM. There are 24 hours in a day. We divide the day into 1. Morning, 2. Noon, 3. Evening, 4. Night. 12 o'clock at night is called midnight and 12 o'clock in the middle of the day is called noon or midday. We use AM ante-meridiem to show the time from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock, noon or midday. We use PM, post meridium, to show the time from 12 o'clock noon or midday to 12 o'clock midnight. Thus, 9 o'clock in the morning is written as 9 am and 9 o'clock at night is written as 9 pm. Do these 2. 1. Fill and drill. Fill in the blanks by using AM or PM. Reasoning proofs. Two. Fill in the blanks with morning, evening, afternoon, night. Reasoning proofs. Conversion of days into hours and hours into minutes. Days into hours. Example 1. Convert 3 days into hours. Solution. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 3 days is equal to 3 into 24 hours is equal to 72 hours. Example 2. Convert 2 days 4 hours into hours. Solution. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 2 days is equal to 2 into 24 hours is equal to 48 hours. Therefore, 2 days 4 hours is equal to 2 days plus 4 hours is equal to 48 hours plus 4 hours is equal to 52 hours. Hours into minutes. Example 1. Convert 4 hours into minutes. Solution. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 4 hours is equal to 4 into 60 minutes is equal to 240 minutes. Example 2. Convert 3 hours 20 minutes into minutes. Solution. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 3 hours is equal to 3 into 60 minutes is equal to 180 minutes. Therefore, 3 hours 20 minutes is equal to 180 minutes plus 20 minutes is equal to 200 minutes. Do these 3. 1. Convert the following into hours. Connections. Two. Convert the following into minutes. Connections. Fact file. The minute hand makes 24 rounds in a day. The hour hand makes 2 rounds in a day. The time between midnight and noon is called ante-meridium, AM. The time between noon and midnight is called post-meridium, PM. To convert days into hours, multiply number of days by 24. To convert hours into minutes, multiply the number of hours by 60. Fun time. 1. Prepare the model of a clock using cardboard with the help of your teacher. Represent the time given below in the clock. Fun time. 2. Write the time for the following.